Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, model and One UI version so options match what you see. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings. Make sure updates are applied so features work correctly. Next, go directly to lock screen settings. This is where notification visibility is controlled. You're not configuring app by app yet, you're setting the global behavior. This first step ensures you access the exact menus needed and prevents confusion when options differ across One UI releases. You now tap lock screen, then notifications to see global controls. Once inside, toggle show notifications on or off depending on whether you want any alerts on the lock screen. If you keep them on, choose hide content or show details to control privacy. Hide content prevents message text from appearing. Then, select app notifications to pick individual apps to block or allow on the lock screen, which gives granular control so sensitive apps never reveal info before you unlock. Finish by locking the phone and sending a test notification so you can verify what appears. If an app still shows content, open that app's app info notifications and disable lock screen permission for that specific app. Make sure Do Not Disturb or scheduled rules aren't affecting results because those can override settings. If changes fail to apply, reboot the device, clear settings app cache, and check for One UI updates. This single troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn notification issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.